Plans to count down to the City of Melbourne's New Year's Eve fireworks. Woo!
To New Year's Eve 2018, right here from Docklands. I'm Emily Angwin, and joining me tonight is Rob Mills, Melbourne's very own Rob Mills.
Thanks, Em. It's fantastic to be here in my home city of Melbourne. You know what? I just caught the tram down tonight. I'm pretty much as pumped up as these guys out here. We are here for these spectacular fireworks this year here in Melbourne.
They are going to be absolutely amazing, Rob. And the best thing about them is that you can see them from the city skyline. You can see the midnight. I've had a couple
that's when they're on.
From
midnight. We've already had the 9:30.
Skyline. If you're coming into the city, there's 4 official live sites where you can see those fireworks.
Yeah, that's Flagstaff Gardens, Treasury Gardens, Kings Domain, and of course right here in the Docklands, Em.
They're pumped up. So you've got a fantastic view of those fireworks from 22 different buildings around Melbourne. If you decided at the last minute to come into the city and see us and say hello, be sure to use public transport.
And don't forget the public transport is free. That goes for trams, trains, buses, right up until 6 a.m. Now, for those of you who are sitting in front of the TV, you'll have the best seats in the house with 7 Melbourne's coverage of the fireworks. But before we hit midnight, we've got lots to entertain you with.
Indeed. Don't forget to send us your New Year's Eve messages or resolutions via our Twitter handle, which is...
Yes, tweet us at City of Melbourne and use the hashtag NYEMelb. Not Melbs, Melb.
No one calls it Melbs, but you, I think. Now, do you have a resolution, just quickly? I know it's early.
Oh, okay. Put me on the spot. New Year's Eve resolution. I want to read more books next year.
Mm-hmm.
I like using a paper diary, so I think I want to read more books. What about you?
Is it New Year's Eve without a glow stick? That's what I want to know. I don't think it is.
What is New Year's Eve without a glow stick? If it didn't happen on Instagram, did it really happen?
Exactly. These are all the questions we will answer after the break, so don't go anywhere.
The early hours of the morning, they don't look like they're stopping anytime soon.
We really don't have long to go at all.
I love it.
There is less than 5 minutes.
What?
So we better get to the break, and then we'll count down to the City of Melbourne's spectacular fireworks, Rob.
Don't go anywhere, guys. See you soon. Hawks win a grand final. I mean, it's been a while. It's been a couple of years.
And
it's a drought for the
Rob,
Hawks.
we have less than a minute to go until 2019, so get ready, all right? I think there's already been some premature fireworks. All right? Here we go. We need to make sure...
Quickly before we get, what are you looking forward to most next year?
Look, I hope the Blue Baggers have a couple more wins. I'll definitely be hanging out with them next year. And look, I just want to do some grounding things. I want to paint my house, and I want to dig a hole and
You can do that. I believe in you.
Now we have 10 seconds, I think.
10 seconds?
9,
8,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
tons of fireworks. Boom! Take that, Sydney! That was spectacular fireworks show I've ever seen.
How good was that?
Amazing.
And I love the sound it makes. It's just, there goes a few more. Anyway,
It's like-
incredible. I've lost my hat. Take that 2018. Now, who's having a party?
Melbourne's having a party. Who else is having a party? It's our mate down on the ground.
Mr. Paul Dowsley.
Paul Dowsley. Paul, are you there? How's it going, mate?
What? I'm kind of deaf. That was fantastic. Look at these guys. This is
wild.
Look at these little devils.
Yeah, cricket. All right. Well, a big thank you to the City of Melbourne and to all of our guests tonight, the Lord Mayor, Sally Capp, the Melburnians of the Year, Ian and Simone Carson, and of course, Kurt from Avita.
Oh yeah, and everyone at Channel 7 working on this production tirelessly throughout the year and also tonight, guys. Thank you very much. And to you guys at home.
Thanks for having us in your
very
lounge
much.
rooms. All right, Rob. Over and out. Thanks for having me.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New
Good night and
Year.
Happy New Year.